Imagine starting a brand new YouTube channel today and getting it monetized in just 30 days. Sounds impossible? Well, in this video, I'll walk you step by step through the exact strategy that you can copy to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 1 month. Stay until the end because I'll also share a secret hack that can cut your growth time in half. The first step to monetization is picking a niche. Don't make the mistake of going too broad. You want a niche that is 1. Evergreen, always in demand finance, health, self-improvement. Next, let's optimize your channel. Create a professional logo and banner using Canva. Add a keyword-rich channel description like helping you make money online with AI and digital strategies. Add links to your socials and affiliate products right in your channel banner. This makes your channel look professional and trustworthy from day one. Now, you need a content plan that can generate both views and watch time quickly. Here's the formula. Upload 2 shorts every day. These help you get subscribers fast. Upload 2 long-form videos per week. These build watch hours. For shorts, use trending sounds, quick tutorials, and motivational clips. For long-form, go for tutorials, step-by-step guides, or comparisons. Here's where AI makes everything easier. Use ChatGPT to write video scripts. Use Pictory AI or InVideo AI to generate videos with stock footage. Use CapCut or Canva to edit and design thumbnails. With these tools, you don't need to show your face or use expensive gear. You can literally create 3-4 videos in a single day. Uploading is not just about hitting publish. You must optimize. Title: use keywords like how to monetize a YouTube channel fast. Description: add keywords plus links to your affiliate products. Tags: use 5-10 tags like YouTube monetization, grow channel fast, make money on YouTube. Thumbnail: keep it bold, 3-5 words only like monetize in 30 days. Here are hacks to get 1,000 subscribers quickly. 1. Ask viewers to subscribe at the start and end of every video. 2. Reply to every comment to boost engagement. 3. Share your shorts on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels. 4. Join niche-related Facebook groups and share your content there.
Getting 4,000 watch hours is the hardest part. Here's how you do it. Create playlists so viewers binge multiple videos. Make tutorial-style videos that are at least 8 to 12 minutes long. Use storytelling hooks so people watch until the end. Pin your most engaging video on your channel homepage. Here's the secret hack I promised: live streaming. You don't even need to show your face. Use tools like StreamYard or OBS to stream motivational videos, music, or tutorials. Live streams massively boost watch time and count toward monetization. So there you have it. In just 30 days, you can monetize your channel by following these exact steps. Pick the right niche. Use AI tools to create content, post consistently, and drive both subscribers and watch hours. Once monetized, your channel can start earning from ads, affiliate products, and even sponsorships. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below which niche you'll start with. And remember, consistency is the key to success on YouTube.